So Sriya, first question. Myth or fact? Content writing is not just a blogging.
Fact.
Okay.
It's not just about the blogging, it also includes major variety of the contents like social media content, marketing campaigns, Google marketing campaigns, then video contents, podcast contents, and a lot more.
Okay. The next thing, anyone can be writer.
No,
Okay. So if anyone knows the English, they can't be a writer.
no, just knowing English can't make anyone the writer.
Okay. Content writing does require a much research.
Depends. Sometimes it requires a lot of research. Sometimes, if you know the topic, if you are familiar, then you don't need to research more on the topic. And plus, as you gain the experience as a writer, the research part becomes much lesser.
So it is near to the fact.
Yeah.
Okay. Content writer don't need to understand SEO.
Myth.
Okay. Good content doesn't need editing.
Myth. It requires editing at any point of the stage.
Any particular reason?
Yeah, because see, if you are writing something, it doesn't mean that it is going to be 100% perfect. There is a requirement of proofreading. Sometimes you are writing something, but when you read it aloud, okay, at that time you find that the sentence structure is awkward. So you need to edit that sentence.
And also might be for the SEO we have to.
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Content writing is a low stress job.
No, that's not the true. It's myth.
Okay. The next thing is longer content is always better for SEO.
Maybe depends if the topic is such, if the keyword density is too high, then you might require to write a bit longer content to make it understandable, plus on the perspective of SEO as well.
So it's depend on topic.
Yeah,
Okay, fine. You don't need a strategy for content writing.
it's a myth. We actually need a strategy for the content.
If you want to share any strategies that you are using.
Okay, so content strategy, if I talk about, then it's not just like that you got the topic and you write it down. You need to think on lot of perspectives. You need to think, firstly, you need to think about the company that you are in, that what they want to display to the audience. Secondly, you need to decide on who are going to be your audience, right? Third, you need the SEO requirements. You have to also look into the what SEO have given you, what are the keywords given by them, what are the URLs, what are the meta tags and everything. So you have to build up a perfect content strategy, and then you can write a good piece of content.
Also, it require a computer analysis.
Yes, it requires a computer analysis.
So okay. The next question about myth and fact. All content writer work alone.
No, that's the myth. You require someone or different for some or another reasons.
Okay. You can't make a good living as a content writer.
No, that's completely a myth.
Okay. So that's the end of our round, myth or fact.